Hello and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be helping you out on fixing your issue on Instagram with the error message that reads, "This story is unavailable." But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Instagram application. Now, when you scroll through your stories by your friends and you receive that "this story is unavailable" error message on someone's story, it may mean that it has been 24 hours since they've posted the story. So when someone typically posts a story on Instagram, it lasts 24 hours before being deleted from the server of Instagram. So if you're seeing that message on one story, it may be because it has reached its time limit and hence Instagram has deleted their story. But if you repeatedly get this on multiple stories, then this might be an issue. So for that, what you're going to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, long press on Instagram. Go to app info. This will redirect you to your phone settings. Over here, go to storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, and confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on OK. After that, head on over and see if this problem still resides. If it still resides, then make sure to take a screenshot of this issue. Now go ahead and contact Instagram support. For that, tap on your profile icon, go to the top right corner, and then you'll see a 3-barred menu on your profile. Tap on it. Head on over to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see help. Tap on it. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report a problem again, and then tap on include and continue. Over here, go ahead and explain your issue. That is, you're getting "this story is unavailable" for all your stories on Instagram. Then go ahead and include a screenshot. Now, by default, there will be a screenshot included. However, this screenshot is not related to your issue, so go ahead and tap on the cross icon on top of the screenshot. Now, to upload your screenshot, tap on the upload button. This will redirect you to your phone's gallery. Go ahead and select the image or the screenshot that you've just taken. After that, make sure to hit the send button that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Instagram will get back to you within a certain amount of time and your issue should be resolved. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.